Hello everyone, this is Mel from Coins and Stamps to Watch. Now, I've been away for a few weeks and I did enjoy my holiday. So if you're heading to Australia, don't forget to visit Cairns. It's a very lovely place. I got to go on the Great Barrier Reef, doing snorkeling and among other places that I visited. Also, the Esplanade is an awesome place to hang around. So now, yeah, I'm back, and these are the ones that I won in the auction the past weeks that I haven't managed to do unboxing or open. Uh, I believe these are coins and stamps. I think there's a stamp here, but yeah, we'll open it up and see what they are. So yeah, do this one. Right. Oh, okay. Oh yeah. So these are silver coins from the United Kingdom. It's very dark, a little bit dark. Here we go. Remove this so you can see it more better. So we have those Monty coins in here, and here we go. Light up some more. So these are 1920s, I believe. We have King George the Fifth, and yes, King George the Fifth, and these are Mounty coins. So it's getting rare now, eh? This one's nice one. I think my lighting is that good. So open this other one. Okay, here we go. We got it's written here. PG 1943 is a wartime fluorine coin, and it's silver. USA minted. That's why I bought it. I remember. It's because it's this PG coin is minted in the USA. I think it's in San Francisco mint. And Russia 1878 5 copics. It's copper coin, but yeah, it's an old one. So see what's to cut it out. Oops, sorry. It's noisy. Okay. Here we are. See, chlorine. Very hard to remove. Right, here we go. So, oh, that's much better. This is the Russian 5 kopeck. Let's see. From 1878. It's a copper coin, but yeah, it's from 1878. It's a very old one. So, and this other one is a PG coin. See, it's silver, and it's 1943, and it's one fluorine, and we can see here the mint mark is over there. It's S That means it's been minted from the San Francisco Mint, and it is from the reign of King George the Sixth. We can see here. It's a lovely coin. So yeah, see again the Mounty coins. It's very small. I need my glasses actually. I think it's from 1925, 26, 1920, and those are Mounty coins. And 21, 22, and this one. Where's the other one? Yep, this one. 1928. So yeah, here you go. So, and we'll open one more. So open this one. Okay. I don't want to just rip it out because I think I have a stamp that's here in one of these envelopes. So yeah, you see. Oh yeah, I think this is the stamp. You see, I bought it for $7.50, and this one is a very old one, and it's a special one. See this stamp. So this stamp is from Italy. It's a free batch, we can see. It's with an 8-bar console, and yes, 1852. So 1852, and I bought it for $7.50 plus shipping, a dollar something. So you'll see the cut value is $138, and see. So this is it. It is from Rome, or yeah, the Papal States, and it is from the year 1852, with a value of a 3 badge, so we can see down below. And it have an 8-bar cancellation, these ones. And they said that the 8-bar cancellation is a rare one, so I wouldn't be surprised. It's a old stamp with a rare cancellation, and with a cut value of $138. So yeah, I'm happy to have it. I'm still bidding at some of these sellers' stamps and even letters. I just didn't win because they few of them that I like sold for thousands, actually $4,000, 1,500. So yeah, out of my league. So this is the last one. Can I open this one up? I don't know what this one is. And remind me, I need to I need to give feedbacks to these people that or these sellers that I bought these coins and stamps with. I haven't checked my account. Trade me. So this one, oh, still very secured. It's in another envelope. So let's see what's inside. I'll just rip it up. Here we go. Still, yeah, very good. This the sellers that I've been buying coins and stamps. They take care of their collections real good. So every time I buy it, I know it's secured. So this one is it's also a rare one too. See, very nice. just gonna remove it. So yeah, this is 1921 coin from Cyprus, silver, and its value is 9 piastres. It's very rare getting coins from Cyprus. They always, the mintage is always very low, and sometimes you do look for it and see it in biddings. They always have high prices. Oh, very well secured. Okay, here we go. See, Cyprus, 1921, silver, 9 piastres. Don't know what to has been polished a bit. It's been polished. Yep, doesn't matter. I mean, it's mintage. I think it's very low, probably around, I don't know, 400,000 at least. So, and it's still looks nice. 1921, 9 piastres, Cyprus. I only have a few old coins from Cyprus. It's one of them, and they all have low mintage. Yeah, so nice one. So this is what we have for today. Another great addition to collection. So yeah. So I hope you like the coins, and I hope you're also having a good day. So we'll see you next time. Yeah. Thank you very much. I hope you all have a very good day.